Kasmikos na lay. Oh. Oh. Dalaw naman. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Jane TV. And for today's vlog, it's another video and it's another day. And today, guess what? So what I'm going to do is to travel alone, since we mastered to be alone forever. So I'm going to go in another town, from my birth town to another town, guys, and I'm gonna explore you. I'm gonna drive with my scooter. So this is alone travel. Yeah, it takes 2 hours driving by scooter going there. So I need to prepare my energy, guys. And since the weather is something, yeah, I can consider the weather is quite cool because it's not sunny. It's a bit cloudy. Oh, someone is coming. Let's gonna see. It's our taxi. Oh, I don't know what happened to my voice right now. So I have colds. One thing about my province is that this is still exists. So I stopped here because I just want to show you our livestock here, guys. Buffalo. I already passed the center of my birth town and now I am here in Gatas, Kalawit. So it's a highway, as you can see, guys. Grabe guys, ang laki ng mga buffalo, mga kalabaw. Kalabaw ba yan? Grabe yung mga kalabaw, ang laki-laki.
Cause you and I, we don't wanna be like them. We can make it to the end, and nothing can come between us.
Look at that eagle, guys. I stopped here. It's always raining here in the Philippines. There we go. We are finally here in my final destination. So I paid the electricity here, guys. So it's going. Let's go back home. Mikos na lay. Oh. Oh. Dalaw naman. Na naman. Oh, 'di ba plantita, girl? Ayan guys, magtatanim ako pagkatapos po ng explore konti. 'Di ba? Grabe yung ano ko ngayon. Nagawa sa buhay. Puro hingi ng halaman. Ano pa bang hihingiin ko? Full pack na ako. Full pack na talaga. Oh, ayan. May ingredients po tayo guys. Masarap po to siya sa mga laoy-laoy, mga tinola. At ayan guys, tambal po ng anime. Kangkong na red. Yun, sa kamote tops. So, itatanim ko muna guys. Bako is just 4 hours po ang drive ko ngayon guys. Tapos pag uwi ko pala dito sa bahay is ay hindi pala ako nag-breakfast at hindi pa ako nag-lunch. Pero ang oras ngayon is nasa 3 o'clock na, pero diretso ako tanim. So magtatanim ako diretso guys kasi alam niyo, nakikita niyo guys, no? Parang ano siya, going to die na. So itatanim ko lang muna siya guys, no? Tapos tatanggalin ko lang muna itong mga, ano nito, mga damo-damo pala. Ito yung lithan ko na yun. Gosh. Lagyan ako malithan. Ay. Lithan ko dito. Guys, this is red kamote tops. So I need to plant this kamote because this is good for anemic. So when you have anemia, the perfect vegetables that you are going to eat is this one, guys. This is good to increase your blood. That's why I'm planting this. To help increase my blood. since I'm suffering low blood pressure and my blood is on 70/50. So we need to plant. Ito is mga flowers ito siya. Dito na lang ano. Ito muna. Parang feel good. Dito na lang muna. Nabuhay yung pandakaki ko, my goodness. Nabuhay yung pandakaki ko. may daga. Ako yung kung may daga. Takot ka naman ako sa daga. May bulberry guys. Buhay na yung pandakake ko. Ayan na, nabubuhay na siya guys. Mataas na yung mga palay natin dito. Tanggalin yan. Linisan pa natin to para magbunga yung mulberry natin. Mulberry natin. Sige. Ito na ang plantita na takot ito. Takot talaga ako maghawak ng mati. Bunga itong mulberry natin. Prutas ko yan, prutas. Grabe, ganun minsan namin dito. Itsen ka kasi tira. Wala na ikuan o na ko transfer na to ni. Ano ba o? May saha. May saha dahil daghan din siya saha eh. Transfer na to lain.
Dipalit na?
Ha?
Palit na?
Okay, katensil ni. Kana o sayang kayo na.
Kaya isa, patay mo na.
Asa?
Pang tanang pandakake.
Magod patay. Wala ko ikuan. Sayang magod siya. Dagko pa ang sagbot daw ito yung alugbati dito. Yung alugbati daw ito yung ranag na. Yung arang ako magkuhan. Ikas ka. Yung explore natin for today's video is nauwi sa gardening mode. So nag-garden tayo, no? Tapos ayun, 'di ba? May maano tayo sa ating pag-garden. Pero alam nyo guys, yung nangyayari sa akin is ganun po ako pag mag-gardening ako. Madali akong masugatan po sa aking dito. So pero okay lang naman. Kahit nag-gardening ako, ganito pa naman yung kuko natin. Pero mawawala lang yan mamaya guys, no? So, itong kamay ito is green thumb to siya. Green thumb. Yun lang. Share ko lang. Bakit green na green po yung paligid namin. Yun lang. Bye-bye guys. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunood. And thank you so much guys. Basta, as always, palagi po tayong productive. Ganyan po talaga ang buhay. Kailangan applyan po ng productive kahit wala nang tulog-tulog to. Yun. Kasi pag matulog ka sayang.